Hi, welcome to automationtesting.in. In this video, we are going to see image comparison in Selenium. Usually, by using Selenium, we cannot compare the images, but by using some third-party APIs, we can compare images while working with the Selenium WebDriver. But we cannot compare more images as it is a tedious process. But if there is any specific scenario that if you want to compare your logo image, otherwise some important image which you cannot avoid to compare. So in those scenarios, you can use some third-party APIs to compare images. Okay, for that we will use AShot API to capture the particular logo image or some particular image, and we can compare with the expected image. Means we will take a particular web element or logo image and will place somewhere in your folder structure, and in dynamically you can capture the same screenshot or image and you can compare with this expected image which you already captured. Okay. For that we'll use how to capture particular element screenshot. This topic which we already covered in our previous videos called how to capture particular web element screenshot. We will use the same concept to capture that screenshot, and we'll see compare image positive scenario. Means we will compare the image with exactly what we have taken, and we'll do some small changes to that expected screenshot, and we'll do the same comparison, that is negative scenario. In this case it should fail. In the positive scenario the test script should pass. In the negative scenario it should fail. For both the scenarios we will take a sample program to compare the images. Okay, now we'll go to the Eclipse, and I have a small project image comparison demo, and I have added two jar files called AShot jar and our normal Selenium server standalone. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll take a sample class and we'll name it as element screenshot. Okay, I'll take this as public static void main and finish. Here what I'll do, I'll take these two lines common system.set property where my gecko driver is for the this is in my this location, and I'll import WebDriver and I'll import Firefox driver. Now I will navigate to driver dot get, and the path is this one, http demo.automationtesting.in. We'll get to the same location here. I want to capture this logo, automation testing logo, and I want to compare this logo. For that I'll take this web element and this is my logo. Okay, here what I'll do now, I am giving some thread dot sleep for 2 seconds. If something goes wrong, then it will not capture the screenshot. That is the reason I am taking 2 seconds delay. Now I have to capture that particular web element screenshot. For that I have to first get the web element, where means locator of that. web element, web element equal to driver dot. For that, what I'll take web driver I'll initialize here. Now I'll take the web element driver dot find element by dot css selector and that logo. Okay, now we have that particular web element captured. Now we will use AShot API to capture the screenshot of this particular web element. And regarding AShot, we already discussed in our previous videos by taking the entire web page screenshot and particular web element screenshot. You can watch those videos regarding AShot. Now I'll take screenshot of AShot, screenshot equal to new AShot dot take screenshot of, you have to pass the driver element and you have to pass the web element. Okay, you have to pass the web element. Now I have the screenshot. Now I want to save the screenshot in the form of PNG in my local system. For that, I have created one folder in my folder structure, that is images. I want to place that image in this images folder. For that, what I'll do, we have one more static class image io dot write, and you have to give the screenshot dot get image and format of that image, in which format you want to store. I want to store in the form of PNG, and the where you want to store, that is new file input stream, so file means image.io.file, and the path where you want to store means system dot get property, and in my folder structure user dot dir plus I want to place in the images folder, and the name what I am taking is logo image dot png. Okay, I'll name it as logo image dot png. Now I'll close this one. For this, it is taking throws declaration IO exception, and I'm giving thread dot sleep of 2 more seconds and driver dot quit. Okay, by using this I'll capture the particular logo element, and I'll use this as a reference for this is my expected logo. So I'll place somewhere in my folder structure, and when I asserting, I'll take the same type of image dynamically and will compare with this screenshot which we took in this program. Now I'll run this program and we'll see whether it took the screenshot or not. There is some came here, it took the screenshot and it closed the browser. Now we'll see that it took the screenshot or not. You see in the images, logo image.png. I'll go to the location. You see logo image.png. Now it will open the logo. You see this is the logo captured, particular web element logo. Now this is my expected logo, and we will use this logo to compare in the dynamically when you capture the screenshot. So here what I'll do, this is positive scenario. I'll make a copy of this one, copy logo, and paste here, and I'll rename it logo image with some dot, means I'll make a change to this logo, then when you compare it should fail. I'll open this. Sorry, give me a second. I'll open this. See, I have made some change, that I have made a dot here, and I'll save this. Okay, when you open this one again, sorry, I have to save this one. Okay, when I open this one, you will find some dot somewhat. Here I have put some red dot, okay, to make differentiate that when comparing, whether it exactly comparing or not. I'll close this one. If you open this one, it is exact web element logo, and if you open this one with the dot, I have placed some dot here, red color. Okay, now I'll take one more class to compare the actual image. Okay, this is to take the our reference image. Now I'll take one more new class. Here I'll say image comparison. Okay, and here I'll take @test from the test ng, actually, right, public void image comparison. Import, sorry, not JUnit. I'll import add test ng and I'll add test ng. Okay, now I'll write the same logic. System.set property. Sorry, I have done twice. WebDriver. Here also I'll do the same thing. Till here. I'll go to the same website. WebDriver, I'll import WebDriver. Thread.sleep. Okay, instead of this one, I'll make exception. Now, what I'll do, first I have to get the screenshot which we captured as a expected image, this one, logo image. First I have to capture that image, I have to get that image into this where you are working. For that, what I'll do, you have one of the classes in the AShot is buffered image. Buffered image from the AWT package. Buffered image from the AWT package, and I'll say expected image. Okay, this is my expected image, and I'll get this from the image IO dot read. I have to read that file. Where exactly? This is new file of same. I'll copy it from here, system dot get property and png. It is in this location. Okay, now I capture the image. Sorry, Gyro, it's not that file, I think so. I have a wrong input. I'll remove this one. New file of system.getProperty user.dir and the same images logo image.png java.io. Okay, java.io. Now I have my expected image. Now I have expected image. Now what I'll do, I'll take the screenshot of same image dynamically, means once again. Screenshot and let's say logo image screenshot equal new AShot dot take screenshot driver comma, and we forget to take that image logo again, web element, same web element I'll capture again here. Okay, now I'll capture this web element here. So I have captured this image. The same way I have to get the image of that one. For that, what I'll do, same buffered image. Buffered image. This is actual image. Okay, but now I captured here itself. Logo screenshot image dot get image. Okay, I have get the image of this particular screenshot. Now what we can do, we have one more class called image differ. We have image differ. img diff equal to new image. I am creating the object of image differ class. Now we have one more class called image diff. Okay, image diff. Image diff equal to img diff dot make a difference between these two. What it is? Expected image and actual image. Now we are making a difference between these two images. Is there any image? Now I have to assert there is a difference or not. Assert dot assert false. Okay, assert testng assert false. Now you have one more method called diff dot has difference. There is a difference or not. Okay, images, I'm giving some message to display. Now we have one method called diff dot has difference between this expected image and actual image. If there is a difference, it will throw true. I am expecting false. If it is true, it will fail. If it returns false, then AShot false and it is false, then test case will pass. Okay, now what exact image I have given? Buffered image, expected image is logo image. This logo image I am expecting, means the image which we are comparing is this logo image. So it should pass now actually. So run as test-ng test. Nothing, expected image we already captured and somewhere placed in our folder structure, and while executing we are capturing the same image logo and comparing with the image which we already captured. If it is same, it has to return false. The reason is diff dot has diff. Yes, if it is a difference, it should give you the true. If it is no differences, it should throw false, return false. Somewhere it got executed, and if you go here, you see image comparison passed. Okay, image comparison passed, and images, or if something goes wrong, it will print this one, otherwise it will not print anything. Okay, now what I'll do, I have one more image with a dot. If I compare with this one, it should fail. Then we'll come to know that the API, AShot API is working fine or not. Then we can rely on this API and we can use the same API to compare images or logos. I'll say what? I'll say with dot. Now my expected image is with dot. My actual image is normal image. When I compare with this dot image with this actual image, it should fail. Now I'll execute the same thing again. Run as test-ng test. This time it should fail. The reason is our expected image has some dot on that. You see, it got failed. The failure one, and if you go to this one, if you see, expected false but found true. Actually it has to return false, but it returned true. The reason is there is a difference and images are not same. Okay, this way you can compare images using AShot API. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our automation testing channel, YouTube channel, and please like us on Facebook page.